Watching your favorite shows just got twice as easy with DVD double shots from 4Kids. For one low price, you get 2 must-have episodes. It's double the fun and double the value. Yu-Gi-Oh! See arch rivals Yugi and Kaiba join forces for the first and last time. Ninja Turtles. Catch the Shredder's devastating debut. Sonic X. Witness the Hedgehog's ultimate battle with Dr. Eggman. Winx Club. Relive the magical moment when Bloom earned her wings. Take them everywhere you go. Trade them with your friends. Loads of entertainment at a low, low price that you can afford. DVD Double Shot. It's twice the fun from 4Kids. In stores now. Bigger. Better. Bigger. The movie event the world has been waiting for. Kirby, Fright to the Finish. Available now on DVD.
The following preview has been rated KB for kick butt.
Ninja Turtles, bring it on! In Ninja Turtles Season 4, there's icky, yucky things galore. Crazy six-armed idols, fluent creatures that explode with goo.
He slimed me.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Season 4, kicking more butt than they've ever kicked before. A Ninja Turtles day is filled with trying hard not to get killed.
Master Splinter's lesson.
I wish Mikey'd stop the kooky dressing.
Do I look fat in this?
You don't see that every day. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Season 4, mutants and monsters popping out of every door. In Season 4, Stockman's worse than ever.
Agent Bishop's schemes are getting better.
Han is striking fear and terror. And dare I mention the return of the Shredder?
Did they just say...
The return of the Shredder!
It can't be!
In Ninja Turtles Season 4, you'll even see the turtle sword. And then we meet the Ancient One, and Don becomes a beast that weighs a ton.
Say what?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Season 4, mutants and monsters popping out of every door. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Season 4, kicking more butt than they've ever kicked before.
Top secret. Eyes only. Clearance level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sigma 6, codename of elite G.I. Joe operatives. Mission critical. Stop Cobra. Destroy. Defeat. Objective. Success must be achieved by any and all means possible. Failure is not an option. Failure is not an option.
No battle's too tough if you got the right stuff. When enough is enough, it's time for Sigma 6. If you need a hero to go toe to toe, just call G.I. Joe. Get set for Sigma 6. Nothing you can stop us now. No battle's too tough if you got the right stuff. When enough is enough, it's time for Sigma 6. Just call G.I. Joe. Get set for Sigma 6.
My fortune is yours for the taking, but you'll have to find it first. I left everything I own in one piece.
Gold Roger's my hero, and I'm going to the Grand Line. I'm gonna find One Piece.
They say I break the rules. I guess it's how it seems. Cause the goal I have in mind, others merely dream.
It's dangerous!
And as I make my way down the road of no return,
No man has ever come
as I
back.
go, I won't crash and burn.
Ooh, I don't go it alone.
We all need to help each other.
You're the friend at my side.
Follow me.
Right. It's the others who should change that same itty-bitty ride.
First mate. Navigator.
Break down doors.
Mark.
Steal the dream that's yours.
Chef.
Seek, never hide. Find the treasure buried deep inside.
Come on, Chopper, be our doctor.
So why not come aboard and give your life a twirl? It's time to make a break from your dreary, weary world. Let others play it safe, that's not the life for me. I'd rather take the chance and seize my destiny.
Here we
There's
go.
no time for regrets,
That's right.
and there's no room for fear.
Doesn't scare me one bit.
Set your sights on what you want, just plot your course and steer.
Grand line, here we come.
Find a breakdown door, and steal the dream that's yours. You should seek, never hide. Find the treasure buried deep inside.
No one gets in the way of my destiny.
Find the treasure buried deep inside.
We're off to find One Piece.
This season, Sonic X is on a collision course with Destiny. The classic Sega Mega Action Squad is back to face their most powerful foe ever. This is Dark Oak, ruthless ruler of the mysterious force known as the Metarex, deadly space-traveling biobots, programmed for absolute annihilation. Their mission, harness the massive might of the Planet Eggs, obliterate their enemies, regenerate their breed, and dominate their worlds. Now Sonic and his friends must launch a winner-take-all war to stop Dark Oak from seizing the Chaos Emeralds and unleashing his monstrous master plan. Get ready for sinister secrets, radical reversals, and mind-blowing battles as alliances are tested and friendships betrayed. Expect the unexpected as Sonic's longtime rival and ruthless archenemy is forced to choose between destroying or defending his nemesis. And have I got a surprise for you? And brace yourself for a super shock as an old enemy emerges from the shadows. It's a hypervelocity race to the ultimate battle in space. It's the all-new Sonic X Season 3.
It's been fun, but we have to be running along now.